Well, listen, I agree with you. You have a point. I mean, a lot of new LLC businesses don't have revenue. They don't have a operational history, an established operational history. So it is a problem for them to apply for a business credit card. So in today's conversation, I want to shed light on the topic, and I want to share with you new LLC business credit cards for fair credit, no income, and less than 18 months in operational history. Here are the top 10 banks that welcome you. This is a topic you're going to love. I want you to stick around till the end of today's conversation.
One in a million, one in a million, one in a million. You know they're coming up to me, cause I'm just the kind of flow with a stinging kind of beat, but the rhythms getting higher. Go, 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 go. One in a million, one in a million, one in a million, one in a million, one in a million.
Welcome back, folks, to another edition of the Awesome Sweaty Kiwi Show. How are you today? I hope you are doing fantastic. I'm doing marvelous, if you ever ask me. If you are doing as great as I am, go grab a cup of coffee or tea or vodka. Now let's roll. In today's conversation, I want to talk to you about new LLC business credit cards for fair credit, no income, and less than 18 months history. Okay, here are the top 10 banks that welcome you and that you want to consider. Number 10, we have here Costco, Anywhere Visa Business by City. Our score 7.3 over 10. So when you think about Costco Anywhere Visa Business by City, here is a card that does not ask you for revenue. They're not very strict when it comes to the length of operational history. So it is a good card to actually go for if you are trying to establish business credit. Okay, the card is great because it has a 4% on eligible gas, including gas at Costco for the first $7,000 per year and then 1% thereafter. The only thing is this card is designed exclusively for Costco members, so you gotta have Costco membership, business membership, or personal membership. You have a 3% on restaurants and eligible travel purchase worldwide, 2% on all other purchases from Costco and Costco.com, 1% on all other purchases. Okay, and the card is great because it has no annual fee. We love that. No foreign transaction fees. Fantastic. The purchase rate, the APR, is 16.74%. So this is kind of cool. Okay, and you can redeem Costco cash rewards with this card. Okay, and they will actually send you an annual credit card reward certificate once your February billing statement closes. And this cashback is redeemable for cash or merchandise at U.S. Costco warehouses, including Puerto Rico. So this is kind of cool, okay? 7.3 over 10. Costco Anywhere Visa Business by City. Number 9, we have Regions Visa Business. Our score 7.7 over 10. So this is a great card. Actually, that's good. You want to have it, you can build business credit with it, and they will accept you if you are a new LLC with no income. Of course, it helps if you have a relationship with the Regions already. Okay, and the cool thing with this business credit card is that the APR is decent. You're looking at 10.24% to 21.24% APR, and this range is actually valid for balance transfers and purchases. Fantastic. Okay, and the card, you can actually use the card for a lot of things. You have some perks here and there. The card has no annual fee. That's great. You have 0% intro APR on purchases. This is really good. Okay, but the thing is, you want to be a Regions customer. That really helps. And the card also has some security and features that are really great. You have alerts to verify card activity, which is really good. So if they see something suspicious, they will text you, email you, or call you to determine whether you authorize the transaction. This is really good. They have chip technology, online account management, 24-hour customer service. Fantastic. Number 8, we have Truist Business. Our score 8 over 10. So this is a card that's kind of good. That's really great. If you are a Truist business customer, that's even better. Okay, and basically the card has no annual fee. You have a 0% intro APR on purchases after account opening, and this can go all the way to 15 months. And the APR is kind of decent, 11.74% to 20.74% variable APR. Okay, and you have a lot of benefits with the card. You can add authorized cardholders at no additional charge. You have digital account management with Truist Online Banking and Truist Easy Business. You have Intuit QuickBooks integration, contactless payments. Okay, and the cool thing is you can actually link your business checking and credit card accounts to avoid overdraft. Okay, and you have Visa zero liability protection. And what we love about this card is that basically the card helps you build business credit. The card will allow you to actually become a customer even if you have a new LLC with no operational history. Okay, if you have no income, the only thing is you might have to provide a business plan and other projected financial statement data. Okay, so be prepared for that. So Truist Business 8/10. Number 7, Keybank Business. Our score 8.3/10. This is a great card. A card that allows you to manage and track expenses with ease. Okay, you have access to their mobile app. You have access to online account management, and you have 0% for the first 6 billing cycles on purchases and balance transfers made in the first 60 days. Okay, and the APR is variable, so it goes from 12.49% to 22.49% based on credit worthiness. Okay, there's no annual fee. This is really great, and so there is actually a late payment fee up to $39. One thing we love about this card is that it has many features and benefits that are just fantastic. And the cool thing is they will accept you even if you are a new LLC with no operational history, with no established operational history, and you have no income. Just make sure that you have projected data, sales data, so you can actually convince Keybank to actually lend to you. You can so you have business software discounts. This is really great. You have discount for software, including QuickBooks, TurboTax, and Intuit Payroll. You have cybersecurity and ID theft protection. That's just fantastic. And you have car rental insurance and many travel benefits. A fantastic card. Keybank Business 8.3/10. Number 6, we have here another gem, and that's the Wells Fargo Business Platinum. Our score 8.5/10. This is a great card for new LLCs which have no established operational history and no income. Okay, you can earn a one-time $300 cashback bonus or 30,000 bonus points when you select a business card rewards program and you spend 3,000 in the first 3 months after your account open date. Okay, and they have a cashback option. So basically, the card has 2 options: cashback option or reward points option. So you kind of choose the one that that actually fits your business spending pattern. Okay, so for the cashback option, you can earn 1.5% cashback on qualifying purchases. For the reward points option, you can earn 1 point on every dollar spent and receive 1,000 bonus points every billing cycle when you spend at least 1,000 on qualifying purchases, and you have 0% intro rate for the first 9 months. Okay, and so basically now Wells Fargo says that the card is great for businesses with annual sales up to $2 million. But the thing is, if you have an existing relationship with Wells Fargo at the personal level, even if you're a new LLC and you have no operating income, you can still qualify for this card. You just have to back it up with projected sales data, projected financial statements, and a business plan. And it's better to apply for this card at a Wells Fargo branch. Okay. Other features that are very interesting: you have a no annual fee, plus up to 99 employee cards with no additional fee. You have cash management tools. You have spending reports available online. Fantastic. No foreign transaction fees. This is really great. You have online banking and bill payment option. Okay. For the rewards points, if you're a new customer, you can actually earn 30,000 bonus points if you spend 3,000 in qualifying purchases in the first 90 days. Okay, this is really great. This is fantastic. You can redeem points for gift cards, and you can get a 10% point credit every time you redeem online. Fantastic. Number 5, we have a Capital One Spark 1.5% cash select. Our score 8.8/10. This card is great because you can actually earn a $500 cash bonus. That's a one-time cash bonus once you spend $4,500 on purchases within the first 3 months from account opening. Okay, this is really good. The card has no annual fee, and you have 0% intro purchase rate for 12 months. Then your APR goes from 14.24% to 22.24% variable APR. Okay, this is really good. And so other details you might love with this card: you have automatic payments, $0 for liability, year-end summaries, account managers. This this is really great. You have purchase records, okay? And now the thing is what you should know before you apply. So you have to, this is a 10-minute application, okay? They want to have a business owner information, and they also want to have business information, okay? So it doesn't really matter if you're a new LLC, just provide the right type of information. Number 4, we have U.S. Bank Triple Cash Rewards Visa Business. Our score, 9 over 10. And this is a great card for new LLCs that have no income. And you can earn $500 in cash back, okay? This is really great. And the thing is, you have 3% cash back on eligible purchases at the gas and EV charging stations, office supply stores, cell phone service providers, and restaurants. Plus, you can earn 1% back on all other eligible purchases, and there is no expiration or limit on the total rewards you can earn. So this is really fantastic. You have $100 software credit, okay, when you subscribe to FreshBooks or QuickBooks. And you have prepaid travel. You can earn 5% cash back on prepaid hotels and car rentals booked directly in the Travel Reward Center of a U.S. Bank, okay? And so this is really good. You have a 0% intro APR on purchases and balance transfers that last for 15 billion cycles. Afterwards, the standard APR ranges from 15.49% to 24.49%. This is really great. So, and the cool thing is, you have a card for you and your employee that's actually free. You have mobile payments, 24/7 dedicated service. You can pay over time. You have expense management. Fantastic, okay? And for a new LLC business that has no income, you actually have a real-time rewards. You can pay with your phone. That's really great. Fantastic. Number 3, we have Bank of America Business Advantage Customized Cash Rewards. Our score, 9.2 over 10. This card is great. You have a $300 online statement credit offer. You have 3% cash back in the category of your choice, 2% cash back on dining purchases, and 1% cash back on all other purchases, okay? This is really great. And the cool thing we love is that you are in charge of how you earn cash back, okay? You can earn, you can actually change your category for future purchases. You just have to go to the mobile banking app or Business Advantage 360, okay? So this is basically a Bank of America's small business online banking, okay? And if you want to earn even more cash back, this is fantastic. You can earn up to 75% more cash back on every purchase if you have a business checking account with Bank of America and qualify for their highest preferred rewards for business tier, okay? That means you could earn up to 5.25% on your selected choice category and up to 3.5% on dining purchases on the first $50,000 in those combined purchases each calendar year, up to an unlimited 1.75% cash back on all other purchases, okay? Really great. And so one thing I want to say here is that if you want to change your choice category for future purchases, again, you got to go to the mobile banking app or the Business Advantage 360. Okay, that's just fantastic. I'll be right back right after this. Don't go anywhere. Welcome back, folks, to another section of the Awesome Sweaty Kiwi Show. We are still talking about the top 10 business credit cards for new LLCs, okay, that have no income and they have less than 18 months operational history. Number 2, we have Chase Inc. Business Unlimited. Our score, 9.5 over 10. The great thing about this card is that you have $750 bonus cashback after you spend $7,500 on purchases in the first 3 months of account opening. And you have unlimited 1.5% cashback rewards on every purchase made for your business, okay, with no annual fee on this card. And so you have a 0% intro APR for 12 months from account opening on purchases. And after that, you have 13.99% to 19.99% variable APR. And the card has a no annual fee. This is really great. You have business credit card rewards and benefits that you can even get even if you are a new LLC. The only thing is you want to have an established personal history with Chase that you can parlay into the business side of things, okay? And this is really great. And you can redeem for cashback rewards. For example, you can redeem your rewards for cashback, gift cards, travel, and more through Chase Ultimate Rewards, okay? You have employee cards at no additional cost. This is really great. You can monitor and protect your business, and you can explore additional business card rewards and benefits. Fantastic. Number one, the best of the best in our view in this category, PNC Cash Rewards Visa Signature Business. Our score 9.7 over 10. And this card is great. You can earn a $400 bonus when you open and use a new PNC Cash Rewards Visa Signature Business Credit Card, okay? But to qualify for this offer, you have to make at least $3,000 in qualifying net purchases, okay? And during the first 3 billing cycles following account opening. And you also have an introductory 0% APR for the first 9 billing cycles following account opening on purchases. Okay, then you have a variable APR that oscillates between 11.74% and 20.74%. Okay, this is really great. You earn 1.5% cashback on net purchases, no limits on the amount you can earn. Okay, you have an online account management, Visa signature benefits, and let's talk about the features and benefits. So I talked about 1.5% cashback on net purchases. You can use Account View to manage employee purchases and to monitor cash flow. This is really important. You can view your PNC business credit card spending by business category, and you can manage business risk, okay? And there are other benefits, other travel benefits for this card. For example, you have lost luggage reimbursement, travel accident insurance, auto rental, collision damage waiver, roadside dispatch, lost stolen card reporting, purchase security and extended protection, emergency card replacement and emergency. You have card disbursement, travel, and emergency assistance services. And this is just a few services, a few features, but overall, this is a great card. So our score again for the PNC Cash Rewards. Here. So we are talking about a new LLC business, okay? How do you get a business credit card for your new LLC that has less than 18 months operational history and has no income? Well, first thing first, you want to check your personal credit, okay? This is important. I mean, you want to check your personal credit, make sure that you have a reasonable FICO, okay? But then next, you actually have to make sure that you start with the bank, with your current bank, because it's important for all of these cards to actually have an established multi-product relationship with the bank at the personal level at least, and maybe at the business level, okay? What I'm trying to say here is you want to open checking accounts, a savings account at the personal level, and you want to have a business bank account at the business level, okay? And you also want to add to the application process things like projected business revenue, projected business expenses, and your personal income also. It's important, okay? And if you don't have business credit, you may need to work on building it before you can be approved for the best business credit cards. But even if you don't have business credit, you can still get the card. You want to research business credit card options to find one that fits your needs, okay? It's important because there are different types of business credit cards. So make sure to keep your business needs in mind. It's important to consider the type of business you have and how you can maximize your rewards based on your business spending requirements. And then you want to apply for a business credit card, okay? And ideally, you want to apply at a bank, like I said, at the bank where you currently have accounts, okay? And remember that they will ask you for things like legal business name, business address, type of business, business phone number, tax identification number, annual business revenue, years in business, and so on and so forth. They might ask you your monthly business expenses, but then here you can use estimated data, okay? If you are new, you can still use forecasted data, okay? And they might ask for your social security number and date of birth. And you just want to wait for your business credit card in the mail and use it wisely. Once you get that business credit card, please use it wisely, because you are not only building your business credit, but you also might be building your personal credit in case you have not applied for the card on an EIN only basis. In other words, the bank will still be reporting your transactional activity to both your business credit bureaus, PayDex, DNB, Dun & Bradstreet, Equifax Commercial, Experian Commercial, or to your personal FICO score. So think about that. Think about that duality. And let me give you a few pro tips before we close today's conversation. If you are a new business credit, if you are a new LLC business, okay, and you have no operational history and you have no income, there are a few things you need to do. I really want you to think about making sure that you have a business plan. Okay, make sure that you have projected data. I've said this before, but this is quintessential. You need to have a spending pattern. You need to have a business budget. You need to have those things, because when you apply, the bank might ask you to see those that data, okay? And you want to apply preferably at a branch. You want to walk to a branch and actually have an appointment, and you want to talk to someone instead of applying online, because if you apply online and you are a new LLC business, your chances of approval are really dim. They're very slim. Okay. But if you apply at a branch and you talk to a rep before applying, you provide context. Okay. And so you can, and you want to consider your business credit card options. If you need to finance a large purchase, look for a card with 0% introductory APR on new purchases. If you want to earn cash back, you've got options. Okay. Some cards even earn the same rewards rate for all purchases, like, the Capital One Spark Cash Plus. Okay, and the thing is, and the Inc. Business Cash Credit Card, for example, earns 5% cash back on the first $25,000 per anniversary year in purchases at office supply stores and on internet, cable, and phone services. 2% cash back on the first $25,000 per anniversary year in purchases at gas stations and restaurants, and 1% everywhere else. Okay, so it's all about trying to find a card that actually works for you. Okay, and if we take, for example, the American Express Business Platinum card, okay, the Business Platinum card from American Express, you can earn 5% membership rewards point on flights and prepaid hotels booked through the American Express travel website. Okay, and 1 point per every dollar you spend on eligible purchases. So what I'm trying to say here is that you want to actually fit your expenses, your purchases, with the kind of business credit card that you need. That way you can maximize your rewards, perks, and other bonus points or cash back. Okay, it's all about being strategic here. So you really want to consider your business credit card options before you sign up for one. Okay. Before I close today's conversation, I want to share with you our approach. We have our credit card evaluation approach that talks to you about our strict methodology when it comes to rating, evaluating, and categorizing credit cards and business credit cards on this show. Check this out. Okay, quick recap here. Number 1, PNC Cash Rewards Visa Signature Business, 9.7 over 10. Number 2, we have Chase Inc. Business Unlimited, 9.5 over 10. Number 3, Bank of America Business Advantage Customized Cash Rewards, 9.2 over 10. Number 4, US Bank Triple Cash Rewards Visa Business, 9 over 10. Number 5, Capital One Spark 1.5% Cash Select, 8.8 over 10. Number 6, Wells Fargo Business Platinum, 8.5 over 10. Number 7, Keybank Business, 8.3 over 10. Number 8, Truist Business, 8 over 10. Number 9, Regions Visa Business, 7.7 over 10. And number 10, we have Costco Anywhere Visa Business by Citi, 7.3 over 10. Thank you so much for your attention. I really appreciate it. I will see you next time. But until then, remember, stay marvelous.